This is Millennial Money Mindset, 5 of my best investing books of all time. So number 1 is the 80-20 principle. So 80-20 principle, it's essentially a law of nature. So it was tested by pea pods. So if you look at the 80-20 principle, so 20% of your effort creates 80% of your results. And this can be impacted by your investing. So the 80-20 principle. So number 2 is the random walk down Wall Street. So this is essentially meaning that you don't need to have active investors. You can do it yourself. Essentially, you're going to be better than taking a random walk down Wall Street. This is like a history book. It goes back through all the events in history, from the bubbles of the past through the 60s booms to the roaring 20s. And yeah, it's a great insight into what works and what doesn't. The next one is The Intelligent Investor. This is a mammoth book. This is what taught Warren Buffett to be, Benjamin Graham was Warren Buffett's mentor. It's all about value investing, looking at the intrinsic value of something, what is actually compared to the price of something, what actually the asset is worth compared to what the price is. This is the next one. The other one is Smart Investing by Tim Hales. This is evidence-based research. It's going to teach you all the facts and evidence about why you should invest. The next one is the Zulu Principle. This is essentially one of my first investing books I've ever read, so it holds a special place in my heart. Essentially, it's specialising. Having a specialised knowledge is going to improve your investing. And as a bonus, Millennial Money Mindset, if you want the fruit, you need the roots. This is my investing book. I wrote this, and essentially it's the ultimate guide to investing. You can get your copy today on Amazon in Kindle, print, or Audible versions. Get your copy today.